Question 1. What do proboscis monkeys live in? Is it A. dense rainforests, B. swamps and mangroves, C. dry deserts, or D. snowy mountains? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. swamps and mangroves. They inhabit Borneo's unique swamp forests. Question 2. Why do males have huge noses? Is it A. for loud honking calls, B. to attract mates, C. to fight rivals, or D. to smell food? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. to attract mates. Big noses signal strength to females. Question 3. Which animal shares their habitat? Is it A. elephants, B. cheetahs, C. orangutans, or D. penguins? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. orangutans. They live alongside orangutans in Borneo. Question 4. True or false? They eat mostly meat. Is it A. true, B. false, C. sometimes, or D. never? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. false. They are mostly herbivores eating leaves.